What's up, everybody? We've got two more big updates from Social Security on the back pay under the windfall elimination provision and government pension offsets, where people were having their Social Security reduced either as a survivor or their own Social Security reduced because they were receiving both Social Security as well as a government pension. I've got a full video on all this. Check it out. It goes over all the details. But the two big updates they just released today here on March 14th. So I want to walk you through that. And one of these you may have heard about and the other one maybe not. But I want to let you know. So let's get into this. I'm going to go to ssa.gov where I tell everybody to go and check this out. So let me get in here and show you what I'm talking about. And we'll go over this. I'm going to zoom in on the page so you can see this. And we'll get into it. So let's take a look at this. So again, anytime they have an update on here, they will notify you right on this main website. And you can actually sign up for email alerts and get that right here as well. But it was last updated today. And the big one prior to this is on February 25th, 2025 is when they started sending all the back pay Social Security that people were due. All the payments and everything. You may have already got some of those payments or you may not have got the payments on here. But I'm going to walk you through this so you can see this and we'll go over it. So number one here, I'm going to blow this up a little bit so you can see it. So if a beneficiary is due retroactive benefits as a result of the act, they will receive a one-time retroactive payment deposited into their bank accounts that SSA has on file for you guys. So make sure you got that done. This retroactive payment will cover the increase in their benefit amount back to January 2024 and the month when the WEP and the GPO no longer applied on here. And then Social Security benefits are paid 1 month and behind. So most affected beneficiaries will be receiving their new monthly benefit amount in April for their March 2025 benefit. So they are going to recalculate not only your back pay, get that out to you, but then your separate new one for your increased amount that's going to happen going forward is going to happen in April. So they're asking you to be patient. They've actually gotten this out a lot faster than they thought due to automation and everything, but you want to make sure you check the numbers. And you should actually be getting two mailings, one that would go over your back pay and then one about your new benefit that would start. So you're going to be looking at that. And you may get those letters and have already received one of the payments. Really, the only one you would have got is the back pay on here. All right, and let me show you this chart down here at the bottom. They're showing how many payments have been adjusted on here, and they're saying like 3 million, which that is contrary to what they just released out on March 7th on their other main site, which says they've paid out, look at that, 1.1 million people roughly, and about 7.5 billion in retroactive payments. That was through March 4th. So I don't have an update since then on there, but definitely talking about how they are trying to get all that out. Should be for about 3.2 million people who receive pension based on work that was not covered by a Social Security, aka non-covered pension, because they did not pay Social Security taxes. So continue to make payments on this, guys. And what's really cool is you can actually go into this website here where this chart was, and these charts appear to be more correct. You can actually look at by zip code, like who's got what, not actual recipients, but how many total people and what the back pay has been. So you can come in here, whatever you use to search, Control F or Command F on this spreadsheet, pull it up and you can check out. It's like this particular zip code 00612, over 407 people receiving $2.7 million has been paid out. And by the way, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Bill Wilkins, Certified Financial Planner Practitioner and Certified Tax Planner. And I've been doing this for over 30 years. We help small businesses, families do all kind of planning, try to get onto their board of advisors, if you will, and share unique planning ideas that maybe your other financial planners, tax advisors have never heard about. I've been doing this 30 years, and I've definitely shared some ideas with CPAs and lawyers and everything that didn't even know about some certain strategies. I'm still learning things myself. So if you want to have a complimentary discovery call with us, give us a call. Let me show you how to get a contact with us. Reach out to us. Text us at 513-657-0989. Email us at william.wilkins@lpl.com, or you can go to pursuefinancialfreedom.com and click on the Contact Us section, and there's a place to get a hold of us. Appreciate you watching, and we'll bring you out new information as we get it. And also stay tuned. We might be giving something away. You might want to pay attention to my next video. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.